Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I wanted to show you how to use pine cones for a tinder bundle. They're very easy to interlock. We're going to use 3 pine cones at a time for each tinder bundle. And just kind of bury them up inside of each other like this, which leaves you with a nice little pocket right here to put your fire starter. And today we're going to use just raw punkwood. Some of this is harder punkwood than what I'm used to, but you could take and sort of grind it down into powder. So we'll put pieces of this and powder down inside one of them. Down inside another one, I want to go ahead and just use up this quick char material that we made the other day. So down inside the other one, we'll use the rest of this char cloth. And in the last one, the rest of this charred punkwood. It's a little bit small, so we'll have to see if it can generate enough heat before it completely uses itself up to ignite pine cones. I'm not sure if it will or not, but let's go ahead and get them made up. Going to poke some of these bigger pieces down in between these pine cones. And I'll give you a close-up of all 3 before we go ahead and start to ignite them. All right. This is the rest of that quick char cloth, and I'll leave the link to this video down in the description. It'll go in the center of this one. And then this very small amount, that's kind of small to ask it to ignite to flames pine cones. All right, we'll go ahead and ignite the raw punkwood and let that ember be spreading and getting hot while we go ahead and ignite one of these others. This one is the char cloth, and there's the charred punkwood. Such a small amount of charred punkwood. Let's get a tiny little piece of our char cloth, see if we can get it ignited. This is charred. Put it just behind that sharp edge. That's the first spark I got off of it. We'll just let that sit and that ember develop and spread. All right. Now, let's go ahead and ignite our char cloth. That worked pretty easy, didn't it? All right. Let's see if we can go ahead and do the raw punkwood next. I hope the charred punkwood goes as easily. I mean, I've got plenty of charred punkwood. I can stick with that, but I kind of want to just use the fast char material that we made up the other day, and that's all the charred punkwood I have left. All right, let's stop talking about it and try it. Gonna have to put some raw punkwood in there. I bet you this will fire it up. We've already proven it, haven't we? Sometimes if you just leave a really hot ember like this to sit and cook and off-gas the moisture and sort of make all the surrounding areas good and dry, the next time you blow on it, it'll go right to flames. So let's give it about 30 seconds, and when we blow on it, it should go right to flames. Now watch this. If I'd have had enough charred punkwood in there, it'd have been the same result as the other two. All right, y'all. I enjoyed this one. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. We'll catch you on the next one.